Guys, this is TDS meter, total dissolved solution electronically digital meter. I will show you this very clearly. According to WHO, the TDS from the tap water coming from the water board is equal to, the value will be equal to 350 to 500 is easy and drinkable. Okay, so total dissolved solution TDS meter, let us see how much is my water board faucet bring the TDS value. Let's see guys, this is a water glass which I am just checking. I'm pouring this water from the faucet directly from the tap water. I put it there, unedited, uncut video, so you guys, even this using water is running, you see this faucet. So let us check, the value is 0 right now, you guys check here already. So let us put in the TDS meter, see this value 409. Okay guys, this is 409. We will put it once again, 409, 410. TDS value will be 410 or 409 is coming from the tap water. So I just switch off this TDS digital meter. Now I throw this water. Okay, just wash the glass. Now come to my machine, Kangen water. I have to on this machine, turn off the faucet so the water will be goes into the pipeline into the Kangen. I start Kangen water 9.0 drinking. You will see the indication green light 9.0. The Kangen water, the healthiest water is coming out from the faucet. I have to wash this glass just to be sure that no particle from the tap water will be left behind in the glass. So I just pour the glass and let's see what the TDS will bring after the Kangen 9.0. We will check. Let's hope for the best. Off meter, off. On the meter, it's on. The value is 0. I put it here. See the value 261, 240, 268, 240. You see the value, you will see the value. The value is slightly increase, sometimes decrease. So according to the Kangen water machine, I think the value we will take it like 300 or 300 and less than 300 as you see in the video. So I just want to show you guys the best of the pH scale tester. Now I have to just wash it again. You see the pH scale is 9 already running in the machine. pH scale 9.0, which is a dark purple color water. I will show you the most healthiest water. So I just pour the glass. This liquid is called pH scale tester. If I put few drops in it, so you will see the exactly colorful value. If the water color turn into the purple, then you will consider as pH scale 9.0, which is the most healthiest pH scale alkaline. When you goes for 9.0 and above 9.0, that is 100% natural alkaline water, which cure your diabetes, which cure the uric acid, which cure the urine infection as well, the joint pain as well. So this I have to put 1, 2 and 3 drops. See the color, I just dissolve it. See the color, purple color. See it in a more light. See, transparent purple color, which means that the water is 9.0. Let's go for 9.5. I have to wash this. I will show you how automatically my machine, Kangen water machine, adjusting the pH scale. So I am now switching the Kangen to 9.5. You see the blinking 9.5. Let's see, it's a dark purple color is coming now. See this, I have to pour the few water into the glass, then I have to put the drop of Kangen water, sorry, the pH scale tester. You will see the color is changed, it's a dark purple now, which is the most healthiest water. Even it's kill cancer tissues as well. You can see dark purple color. No water in this country Pakistan can give you the 9.5 pH scale, the higher grade of alkalinity. Now I give you another example of 7.0 medicated formula. 7.0 less pH scale. I have to put this one as a clean water. If you are on a medication, see this, the same, now the plates are cleaning. Once the indication is coming as a Kangen water, then I will show you exactly the color of 7.0, which is like a light bluish color. Now the plates are cleaning, the titanium coated plates are cleaning, because we are shifting from 9.5 to 7.0. So systematically the plates are now cleaning. So let's hope for the best. In a moment, if it's indication, the monitor indication Kangen, then we will pour the glass. Okay guys, now I have to see the plates are cleaning right now. So we have to wait. We have to wait. Let's see. Plates are cleaning. Still it's cleaning. Okay, sorry, I forgot one thing, that we have to switch the clean water. So it's mean that clean, not cleaning. So the water is coming from the faucet as clean water, like 7.0. I have to pour the water. You see 6.0, sorry, 7.0 medication formula, same machine, how it manage the pH scale. See this, 1, 2, 3. I told you light bluish color. I told you exactly light bluish color. See this, light bluish color, which means that the medication formula 7.0 pH scale. Now come to the 6.0 pH scale, a beauty water. If you have a dark circle, pimples, or your skin needs some beauty treatment, I am coming to this level, 6.0. See, the indication is beauty water. Now the beauty water coming from the same machine, same faucet. I have to just watch this one. Take the glass, put few drop of pH scale tester. See, the color is now changing. 1, 2, 3. See this, it's now light, slightly greenish color, which is 6.0. That water is only for a face wash and a hand wash. It's nothing to do with your drinking water. See the same smart machine, how it produces 7 types of water. Now come to the pH scale standard strong acidic water. If you can put it, this one, this is strong acidic water, into some sprayer container, you can spray to the floor. You can sanitize your hand from the coronavirus. You can sanitize your floor. This is sanitized strong acidic water. 2.5 is also used to sanitize the operators in a medical language. So I'll tell you, 2.5 is something like yellowish or pale yellowish color. Okay, I have to select the strong acidic water. Now the indication is strong water. The same faucet, same machine. Now this one, why I am showing you all the colors of pH scale, just to advise you, guideline you that the Kangen water machine by Enagic Japan is 100% true thing. Sorry, it's not coming good. I think it needs the refilling solution. I will check. No, it's not coming, which means that the strong acidic water is not performing well right now. Anyway, maybe it's a systematic error. Anyhow, I have to switch off the machine now. Why is